We are at Sella's place today and she seems to be reading something with a lot of attention. Let's see what is she reading. Oh, Sella is reading the newspaper. Hey Sella, what is so interesting in that newspaper? There were 15,438 people living in Sella city. This year, 10,356 more people came to live from the neighboring city. Hey Sella, that's great. But what is worrying you? The newspaper does not tell how many people currently live in Sella city. Don't worry Sella, we will help you find that. We know that the number of people staying in Sella city last year was 15,438. This year, 10,356 more people came from the neighboring city. To find the total number of people living in Sella city, we have to add 15,438 with 10,356. So, let's write the two numbers in a table as shown. We always begin by adding the digits in the ones column. We add 8 and 6 to get 14. We place the 4 of 14 in the ones place of the answer and then carry over the 1 to the tens column. We now add the carry over 1 to the digits in the tens column to get 9. Next, we add the digits in the hundreds column. So, adding 4 and 3, we get 7. Then, we add 5 and 0 in the thousands column to get 5. Finally, we add the 1 and 1 in the 10,000s column to get 2. So, adding 15,438 and 10,356, we get 25,794. We can check the answer of our addition by using estimation. To get the estimated values, we round off 15,438 and 10,356 to their nearest numbers. We get 15,000 and 10,000. Adding the two numbers, we get the estimated answer as 25,000. Since this estimated value is close to the actual answer, which is 25,794, our addition is correct. So, the total number of people living in Sella city is 25,794. What else is interesting in the newspaper, Sella? Last year, there were 2,34,156 people living in Sella state. This year, 3,55,744 more people came in from the neighboring state. Sella wants to know how many people are living in her state. That's easy, Sella. All we have to do is add 2,34,156 and 3,55,744 to get the total number of people in your state. As we know, we start adding the ones first. So, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. We put the 0 in the ones column of the answer and carry over 1 in the tens column of the sum. We now add the 1 to digits in the tens place. So, we add 1 to 5 and 4 and get 10 as the answer. We then put the 0 in the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Adding the digits in the hundreds column, we get 9. Next, we add the digits in the thousands column. 4 plus 5 gives us 9. Adding 3 and 5 in the 10,000s column, we get 8. We now add 2 and 3 in the lakhs column to get 5. Now, what do we do to check the answer? Yes, we compare this value with the estimated value. Rounding off 2,34,156 and 3,55,744 to the nearest numbers, we get 2,34,000 and 3,55,000. Adding the estimated values, we get 5,89,000. Since this value is close to the actual value, our answer is correct. So seller, there are 5,89,900 people living in your state.